Hi guys, so as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be doing another Beauty by Books in this series. We are going to be taking inspiration from The Fault in Our Stars. For those of you who aren't familiar with The Fault in Our Stars, it's a story about Hazel Lancaster and Augustus Waters, and they fall in love and they both have cancer. And I'm not even going to spoil the ending for you if you don't already know the story, but it's really good. But without further ado, let's just get into the makeup look. So because I'm practically insane, I have 2 copies of this book because it is just that good. I have the original design, and we're going to be taking inspiration from the clouds and everything, and we're going to be using the blues, the various tones of blues in this look. And then there's also the cover art that was designed from the movie. So for this makeup look, we're going to be using the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, and also, just to be safe, we might be using the James Charles Morphe palette. We'll see. And I already have my normal face makeup on, so my primer, concealer, foundation, powder, contour, everything like that. So let's just dive into the eyes. So as per usual, I'm going to be using my NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone. And this is just to prime your eyelids, because if you're anything like me, my eyelids actually get super oily, and where my crease is, it actually creates kind of like a line and it separates my eyeshadow. So this kind of helps with that. So now we're going to be taking Morphe M441 brush and going into Blue Blood, and I want a really nice transition shade. So we're going into the color I'm Cold, and we're just going to be putting that color into our crease. And we're also going to be cutting the crease, but it's going to be with a twist. So you'll just have to wait and see. So it is actually right after the 4th of July, and the bugs are coming out, particularly mosquitoes. And I just want to ask everyone, does anyone else get bitten up specifically around their knee area? Because that is the one area that they're targeting on my body. And I'm just curious if anyone else has that problem, or if mosquitoes target a certain area of their body like me. Just curious. So now we're going to be taking a less compact brush, but it's still fairly fluffy. This is the Morphe M433. Yeah, it's a Morphe M433 brush. And we're going in to Blue Blood. We're just going to be putting that right here on the outer and inner parts of the eye. I'm getting super uncomfortable sitting down here, and it's already been only 8 minutes. Wow, this is ridiculous. This is sad. Okay, so I'm going to be now taking a Morphe M124 brush, and we're going in to the color Deceased. And I'm going to actually be using this compact mirror just to be getting like a closer look at my eye, because we're going to be taking this on the bottom lash line. Hence the smaller brush. And I'm actually going to be putting this brush off to the side, kind of on hold, I guess, because we're going to be using that just a little bit later. So I just don't want it to get mixed in with the other brushes and confuse myself. So now we're actually going to be going in and cutting the crease, but like I said, there's going to be a twist. As per usual, we are going in with the Jeffree Star Drug Lord Liquid Lip, which of course is eye safe. And we're using that to cut the crease, and we're using just this concealer brush, the Morphe M224, and I really need to clean my brushes. I'm probably going to be doing that right after this. So next time, in the next video, they'll be way cleaner. I'm sorry about this disgusting mess. Like I said before, we're going to be putting a twist on this. So instead of just straight cutting the crease, we're actually going to be cutting the crease by doing little cloud indentations. So I'm going to be taking my little compact mirror and just zooming in for myself. Now I know I look completely insane right now, but like I said before, we did have to go into the Morphe James Charles palette just to use the white in the palette, just to set the clouds, because it actually kind of moved up into the crease, especially on this side. But you know, clouds aren't perfect, so I don't expect the eyelids to be perfect at all with the cloud cut crease. So I'm overall pretty okay with it. We're going into the color Deceased from the Blue Blood palette. And we are just going to be adding small details to the clouds. It surprisingly worked. I'm really shocked right now. So this one was the disaster, the hot mess and everything. So this one should be actually not that bad. This video is just showing me that how badly I need to clean my brushes. Because this red one, I was going to use it, but there's like, I don't even know if you can see the fallout, but it's insane. Look at my thumb. But with the same brush that we just used to kind of touch everything up, so we're going into Ocean Ice. A little bit of darkness to the sky. Just add a little bit of depth and dimension. I'm going to do something a little bit risky, but I'm actually going to be lining my eyes with blue. I'm kind of liking this one better now. What is happening? So I'm not even going to be putting on eyeliner because we basically lined our eyes with the Blue Monday color from the Blue Blood palette. So I'm just going to be putting on the Tarte Maneater mascara and my magnetic lashes off camera, and I'll see you guys for the final look. Okay, so I have put on my lashes and everything, and I actually put on a little bit of highlight. I used the Peach Goddess from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, of course, and yeah, I think this turned out pretty well. I'm actually going to be going into the lip palette from ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills and everything, and we're going into this blue. I have yet to use this blue, so I am a little bit nervous but excited. First of all, I'm just going to be putting some Palmer's chapstick on my lips just to prep them, you know, because I don't know what to expect with this blue, because look at the blue. Look at the blue. I feel like I should have a close-up mirror. I feel like Emma Frost right now. I probably shouldn't have put on the pre-lip products, the Palmer's lip product before this, because it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I feel like with the blue you can really notice if I mess up. I don't think the blue turned out bad at all. I think this is the best that I'm going to do with the time I'm given right now for this look for The Fault in Our Stars. So I actually finished this video and I did an outro and everything, and it was done. Then I looked in the mirror and then I realized I should do blue freckles. That would be so cool. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to be taking just a little bit of the blue liquid lipstick. Now I'm going to be taking Ocean Ice. I'm not done. Don't worry. This is like, no. What you do to make them a little bit realistic, and I've seen this in tutorials and videos and everything for regular freckles, is that you add powder over top. So just by doing that trick, it kind of diffuses the freckles and it intensifies it less. So it all blends in a little bit better with your skin and looks, well, obviously not natural for this instance, but if you do a lot of different shades of brown, then it'll look just like regular freckles. But because this is blue, this obviously does not look natural, but I just thought it would look really cute. This is the final product that I came up with. I'm sorry that I decided to add this in at last minute, but hey, it looked really cute in my head, so I figured why not. So here it is. And I hope you enjoyed this little Beauty by Books tutorial for The Fault in Our Stars. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you next time. Bye!